This gaming PC will help run most games at high frame rates. Booting up with the i7-6700 is the RX 584GB. The GPU is for gamers who enjoy good graphically demanding games. This TJJ Halo gaming desktop comes with 16GB DDR4 memory. Everything from multitasking to playing games gets a performance boost. Plus, with 1TB SSD, you will get much faster performance than a traditional hard drive, especially when it comes to gaming, where an SSD can reduce game load times by 60%. This TJJ Halo gaming desktop computer comes with 4 RGB fans, and you can set your favorite colors with the remote control. This system will color your world and provide powerful cooling as you play your favorite games. This powerful gaming PC desktop is capable of running all your favorite mainstream games at a great frame rate such as Fortnite, Grand Theft Auto V, Apex Legends, Call of Duty, Warzone, PUBG, Overwatch, Battlefield V, Valorant, Rainbow Six, Extraction, Horizon V, League of Legends, Assassin's Creed Odyssey, Roblox, Minecraft, and more at low to ultra settings.